Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Name James. If you're new to my channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for latest new videos. So guys, let's start out today's video with the tutorial. Show you very good platform. Which platform you can earn lots of money. You can see the platform name, share profit. And first of all, you need to register on this platform. So simply, you can see the video my with a skip. So first of all, you need to input your email address, put your login password, enter your security password, complete all details. Simply click the register button in the ready for login my account ready. So I put my details and click the login option. After I log in this platform, you can see the loading, and after the loading successfully done, I will tell you about this platform. You can see the site details in here, so you can simply read the site details. You can see the BIP section, BIP1, BIP2, BIP, any information you can see that, and simply read the details and click the close icon, and I will show you how to register in this platform, guys. So first of all, you need to click the register option and choose the TRC2 into USDT. After you choose TRC2 into USDT and copy the registered address, go to your Binance and paste the address, select TRC20 network and put the amount, how much amount you are interested for deposit here. Copy the already simply click the withdraw option. When you withdraw successfully, then come here and click the register complete button. After click the register complete button, simply click the back icon and then back icon, and simply click the me section. You can see the asset, how much asset you have, and you can see the my registers are already done in my fund. So I will show you how to complete your tax, and you simply click the quantify option. You can see the quantify option and simply click the start quantify option. You can see my start quantify option is loading, and when the loading is successfully done, I'll show you about this platform. You can see now my quantify option is success, and I will got 2.6190 USDT. Now I will show you how to withdraw your money in your wallet. Simply you click the withdraw option and go to the wallet. I go my wallet and select TRC20 network. First of all USDT, then TRC20, copy the address, go your website and paste your address. After you paste your address, put amount, how much amount your interest for withdrawal. I put my amount. After I put my amount, simply put my security password and click the confirm button. When my click the confirm button, you can see the withdrawal success, and when I've received it, I'll show you my withdrawal proof. Now I will tell you about this platform. You can see the BIP1, BIP2, BIP3 and many BIP in here. You can see that, and BIP1% is 15%, BIP2% is into 50%, BIP3% is 6 into 50%, BIP4 is 17%. You can see that, or there have invite friends option. Click the invite friends option, guys, and you know that there are 3 levels for team commission, so don't miss this opportunity. So simply copy the your referral link, go to the social media, share your referral link, earn lots of money by the sharing, guys. You know that earn lots of money by sharing, or if you did not deposit here, you can earn money by the sharing, guys. So don't miss, you share your link. After you share your link, you can come back your platform, simply click the home section, close icon, cancel option. You can see the language option: English, Arabic, French, Italian, dishes, Spanish, Portuguese, Turkish, Persian, Indonesian, Malay, Latin, Hindi, Bangla, and many kind of languages in available. You can choose your personal language, guys. Or if you face any kind of problem, deposit, withdrawal, login, any kind of problem, you can simply contact the customer service and solve your problem, guys. You can see that I have a 24-hour service icon. Click there, and you got the Telegram contact details and contact the customer service and solve your problem. You can see I received my withdrawal 2.619. This withdrawal are too much fast. You can see that I'll show live withdrawal proof. You know that. And guys, I did not force any on deposit. Here is your own choice and your own personal risk. So until today's video, let's end our today's video. So next, see you another running video.